Hey everybody, it's your girl. We're going to create a cute embellishment. I have a video for this embellishment that I do with the cardboard wallets, but this is going to be a little different. This is going to be the embellishment that I showed you on the round corner wallet pattern. Well, I'm going to show you how to create this embellishment. First thing you're going to do is you need thread. So you're going to thread a needle, knot it. You're going to cut out 5 circles, about 2 inches. Large, 2-3 inches. Then you're going to fold it in half, and you're going to take your needle and thread and you're going to stitch it at the folded line as shown here. See how we fold it in half, and that's on the fold, and we're just stitching across, just in and out stitches. Repeat it, the process for all 5 pieces of fabric. Fold it in half and stitch up, in and out on the folded side. You're going to repeat this process until all 5 pieces of fabric is attached to your thread. So continue to do this for all 5 pieces. Now, these are really cute embellishments. You'll be able to actually create these embellishments and put them on not just wallets, you can put them on shirts, and you can add buttons to them in the middle. You can do whatever you want to. I mean, it's just the sky's the limit when you create embellishments for bags. You can actually create these, and you could create it and use it as keychains. I mean, you just can do so much with embellishments. Embellishments seem to be the way, okay? You can take a purse that you've purchased, and you can create embellishments out of different types of fabric, and you can actually put them on purses that you already have just to upgrade the look, you know? So yeah, just continue the process. So now that we have all 5 pieces of fabric on the string, now what we're going to do is we're going to put them together. So you take the 2 open ends, you put them together, and you stitch them just like this right at the top as shown here. You don't stitch the flower all the way down, just right at the top where it closed at, right at the top as shown here. And that's what you have. And so once you stitch it together, you put a couple of stitches in there to hold it and secure it. You knot it off, cut the string, and there you have your cute embellishment. I'm so excited about this. You could do a lot of things with this embellishment. You could put it on shirts, t-shirts, whatever you want to do. So yeah, so enjoy. Happy crafting.